Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 69 Corvette Racer and this is the Valentine Special Edition for 2025. So yeah, I don't remember for how much I bought it, but it is somewhere around, I don't know, somewhere between 9.9 to 12 ringgits. You guys are wondering. So it depends upon the shop, to be very honest with you guys. So honestly, there are scalpers like we see in India, and there are some legit shops who actually sells for MRP like Hamleys and these kind of shops. Okay, so wow, that feels heavy. That is heavy. Okay, so the first impressions of this car is like, this looks really nice. Okay, so this part is actually plastic, and we do have some paint chipping here, but it is actually heavy. Wow, I never expected this to be this heavy. The reason is, okay, this has multiple parts actually. Okay, so the livery looks really cool. So the headlights are painted, and we don't have any taillight details. So the body is fully metal. So this part is plastic, chassis is plastic, and you can see the exhaust here, the side, and this part here. Okay, along with the splitter here, this part is also plastic. So this one actually I think connects along with the interior here. Yeah, the interior does look really good for a change compared to most of the cars. The liver is actually nice. Honestly, if you guys want to, specifically if you girls want to gift something to your boyfriend or your husband, you know, even to your brother for this Valentine's Day. So my suggestion would be go out with this, because if you are able to get this one, this actually looks really nice. And this is like specifically, based on Valentine's Day, and it looks really nice. Okay, that is heavy. Okay, let's first weigh this casting and then do a roll test. Okay, 34 grams. Okay, this is how much that Cupra racer actually weighed. Okay, but honestly, it feels heavier than the Cupra racer. Maybe because of the size, I guess. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls smooth, but it doesn't reach the end. Let me just. Okay. Okay, same spot. Third try. Same spot only. But I don't see any wheel wobble on this car. That is really nice compared to, even the rolling is, not really up to the mark. But still, it does really cross the halfway mark. That is really nice. Overall, it's a beautiful casting. And again, I'm saying this, if you're able to get this one for yourself, or at least for, this is specifically to the girls, either to your boyfriend or your husband or your brothers, whoever it may be. So, or even for your father or grandfather, depends. And if your girl loves Hot Wheels a lot, buy this for your girl. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.